Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
So stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we are here to talk to you about a great deal,
Yes.
a little townhome over on Baldwin Rowe in Panama City. It's an awesome location, very convenient shopping, the hospitals, downtown, all the things. It's a nice open floor plan,
Yes.
a little over 1,500 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, affordable HOA. You
Very
can't beat
affordable,
it.
yes.
And it would make, I think it would make a good primary residence
Absolutely.
or maybe a long-term rental.
Long-term rental, or it can be for small family or first-time home buyers. It's absolutely divine.
Good starter home.
Yes, absolutely perfect. Smack in the middle of Panama City, and the amenities are great. It's gated. It's a big deal, nice and protective for you, as well as it's got a pool and an adorable little pond, and it actually has ducks that live there and walk around. It's awesome.
Cute. And what is the price point on that house?
It's under $185,000. Can't be beat.
Excellent.
So what's so great about this townhouse is you've got double masters. It's only 2-bedroom, but there's a bathroom in each one of them. And there's a landing upstairs, so it's not the only space. So if you like this property, check out the description below, and you can find the link with all the listing details, more photos, and all of the specs. And if you like this, make sure to click subscribe and the bell for our future videos.